What's up, AP Bio Penguins? Today we're going to do a little AP Bio Math Minute looking at population growth, specifically looking at the two math questions that are in the 2016 number 2 exam. So first we want to do is estimate the maximum population density in cells per milliliter hour of the culture. Now it's giving us a graph, and so we are going to look at the solid line, which is our bacterial population growth, and we want to figure out the maximum point. So we draw a line from the highest point we see over to the y-axis, and I'm going to shift that up a little bit because I missed my mark originally, and we can see that it is 10 to the 8th. So let's write that in a complete sentence. The maximum population density is 10 to the 8th cells per milliliter hour. Highlight it, and moving on to our second question. So the second question is asking us to figure out the rate that we're going to see between hours 2 and 4. So the equation we're going to use for this is dy over dt, or the change in y over the change in x. Let's look at what two coordinates we're looking at. So 2 and 4. Let's draw a line from the x and the y so we can figure out exactly what those coordinates are. So we see that we have 2, 10, and then 4, 10 to the 4th power. So the equation we're going to use again is dy over dt, so the change in y over the change in x. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our y2 value is going to be 10 to the 4th, and our y1 value is 10 to the 1st, and then of course our x2 is 4, and our x1 is 2. So as a reminder, 10 to the 4th is actually 10,000, and then of course 10 to the 1 is actually 10. So we'll do 10,000 minus 10 over 2. And so that's going to give us 9,990 over 2, which gives us 4,995. Highlight that, and of course let's write down a complete sentence. The growth rate between hours 2 and 4 is going to be 4,995 cells per milliliter hour. Hope this was helpful. Remember, 8 Bio Pinch just says bye, y'all.